I used to think my problem was time, that if I just had more hours, my life would finally move forward. Turns out, I had enough time. I was just wasting it without realizing. And the moment I saw where my time was actually going, everything changed. I used to say this all the time. I'm busy. I don't have time. I'll do it later. But one day, someone asked me a simple question. How much time did you spend on your phone yesterday? I guessed maybe an hour. It was 5. 5 hours scrolling, watching things I don't remember, consuming content that didn't move my life forward even 1 inch. That's when it hit me. I didn't have a time problem. I had a priority problem pretending to be one. Everyone has the same 24 hours. No one gets extra time. The difference is simple. Some people protect their time, others give it away. Most of us think time is something that happens to us. I don't have time. Like time is the weather. But here's the truth. Time isn't something you have. Time is something you create. I started asking myself one uncomfortable question. Is this worth my life? Because that's what time is. It's your life. 1 hour scrolling equals 1 hour of your existence. One binge episode equals a piece of your life gone forever. Would you pay money for that? No? Then why are you paying with something far more valuable? From that point on, I treated time like money. If something asked for my time, I questioned it. Is this worth it? Does this move my life forward? Will I regret this later? Most things failed the test. Social media, random videos, busy work, fake productivity. Once I cut them out, I didn't feel busier. I felt free. Here's what actually changed everything. I wrote down what mattered. Real goals, skills, projects, health. Then I put them on my calendar first. Not if I have time. I made time. Everything else had to fit around that, or it didn't happen. And suddenly, I had more time than ever. You don't need more time. You need fewer distractions. You need to stop giving your life away to things that don't deserve it. Every hour you spend is a trade. Make sure it's worth the price. Track your time for 1 week. Be honest. Then ask yourself, is this how I want to spend my life? If this hits you, like and subscribe. And comment one thing you're cutting out this week. Protect your time. It's your life.